हलचल टीवी न्यूज़।
श्रद्धा कपूर पहुंची 9 to 5 वेटलेस फाउंडेशन को लॉन्च करने, जहां पर वो नजर आई बेहद ही एक्साइटेड और उन्होंने बात करते हुए अपने इस डांसिंग स्टंट के बारे में बताया कि वो काफी एक्साइटेड थी। यहां पर श्रद्धा कपूर ने बात की हाल ही में रिलीज हुई फिल्म फितूर के ट्रेलर के बारे में, जिसमें कैटरीना कैफ है और उन्हें फिल्म का ट्रेलर बहुत ही पसंद आया है।
First of all, hello everyone, and thank you for being here. It's very, very exciting to have a launch of this kind, to get a visual representation of this fabulous product, which is the 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse Foundation. Thank you so much, Lakme, for asking me if I would like to be suspended off the top of a building. At first I was like, okay, I have a massive height phobia. How is this going to happen? So I put that across to them, but then they were like, just come and give it a try. We have this fabulous vertical dance group with us called Bandaloop, who's come down from America. And if you don't feel good in the rehearsal, you don't have to do it. And back to your question, we had 2 days of 2 दिन थे, लेकिन about 2 hours पहले दिन पे, on the second day it was a very quick rehearsal. Actually जो team थी, the Bandaloop team and the rigging team also, Natura, they made me feel so good and so confident. उनके जो safety procedures है, in terms of when they harness you और जब when they take you up, पहले test करते कि पहले माले पे जाके कुछ, she's not feeling scared or anything, no? So they build you up gradually. And the training was, actually मैं बहुत excited हो गई. जब मुझे 6th floor तक लेके गए, तो that's when I felt कि this is a lot of fun. And these girls, you saw the girls, they were unbelievable. So basically just getting lots of encouragement from them was very nice. It was really, really nice.
हाय श्रद्धा।
हाय।
हाँ, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि वेटलेस मीन्स, तो वेटलेस मतलब क्या व्हाट यू फील, मतलब इसके क्या आप कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि वेटलेस और आपने इसको यूज़ किया तो कैसे?
जी बिल्कुल, तो मैं अपने लिए बोलूँगी, आई एम एन एक्ट्रेस और हमारे जो वर्किंग आवर्स होते हैं वो बहुत ही इरेटिक होते हैं। भले ही एक 9 to 5 जॉब नहीं हो, कभी कभार वी हैव टू वर्क फॉर 12 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours. And if you have something, see, we wear makeup a lot. It's a part of our profession. बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है to be an actress. तो जब आपके पास एक product है जो इतना weightless feel करता है आपके skin पर, then you feel like you can wear it for hours and you feel fresh all the time. You don't feel कि heaviness या cakiness आपके face पे है. तो वो जो हिस्सा है, that attention is gone from your thinking. तो weightlessness वही होता है, light जो texture है वो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. It's in a mousse form, very easy to use, and you have a few shades which you can choose from. So yeah, it's amazing.
Shraddha, Prabhat from APNS. Shraddha, you started your magnificent career with Aditya Roy Kapoor in...
Sorry, slow.
You started your career with Aditya Roy Kapoor in Aashki 2. Recently, Fitur trailer was launched with Katrina. So, did you see the trailer and how did you react to it?
You know I've seen the trailer, and you're still...
No, I don't know, I mean...
Yes, of course I saw the trailer. It's a very nice trailer. I also tweeted about it. It's a really lovely trailer.
Hi Shraddha, Sasha
Hello.
here.
Yes,
Happy New
how are
Year.
you?
All good. Happy New Year first of all.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year to everyone, by the way.
Shraddha, what was
Actually,
your...
sorry. I think post the 5th or 6th of Jan, people forget to wish Happy New Year, no? Because then they feel like all the wishing is done. Sorry.
Yeah, but we've not met you before,
Yeah.
so we thought we'd wish you now. Okay, so what was your feeling like when you were told that, you know, this is what you have to do at the launch? When they kind of briefed you about it, any sort of thought process that you went through and you would like to share with us today?
I was very excited. I was so excited because where do you get a chance to hang off the top of a building? मौका मिलता है? No, ना? So I was like, yeah, try करते हैं. हाँ? कौन लटका? अभी जा रहे हो बिल्डिंग से लटकने? आ जाओ हम फिर से जाते हैं साथ में. तो it's superb. It's amazing. I would say कि anybody gets a chance to do that, to feel weightless. You must grab that opportunity. एक ही जिंदगी है यार. Why not?
आप देख रहे हैं हलचल टीवी न्यूज़।